Mother of two, Kimberly Muse is battling stage 4 cervical cancer. After chemotherapy initially worked, her cancer returned, so her oncologist directed her to a clinical trial in Los Angeles. She has been traveling there since March of last year, making the trip every 28 days to access life-saving treatments.
For the most part, I'm in Los Angeles for 24 hours. After multiple quarantines, 7 or 8 or so, it was starting to take a toll on our family.
Due to the pandemic, she has to quarantine for 2 weeks every time she returns, so half her life is spent in isolation. She appealed to the Government of Canada for an exemption, but was denied.
We just want public health to recognize essential medical travel as essential and give us an exemption, please, just really to ensure our treatment, access to treatment, because right now it really is threatened and it's literally threatening my life.
Anna Nayarati is in a similar position. She was diagnosed with metastatic colon cancer, but her vaccine and immunotherapy treatments in Los Angeles are every 3 weeks, which leaves her with less than 1 week every month to step outside.
These are life-saving treatments for us. That changes the impact on our lives. It can take us from being cancer-free to back into the cancer state again. We're already dealing with a challenge. And I'm just asking them, please consider, don't add any more hardships to our journey. We want to stay safe as much as everybody else does. We will do our part, but please help us as well.
Soon, in addition to the many COVID-19 tests, costs of travel and treatment, Anna, Kimberly, and others seeking essential care across the border will have to stay 3 nights at a government-approved hotel at a cost of more than $2,000.
Not a flight attendant, unfortunately. I'm not a truck driver, unfortunately. I'm just receiving life-saving cancer treatment in the U.S. and I need to ensure that I can continue receiving that treatment.
Right, because it's working.
It's working. Yeah.
Corey Correa, CBC News, Vancouver.